Hi everybody. You've seen videos about how to collect your data. You've seen videos about how to make your graph. Now that you've got your graph, you need to write your caption. Here's how. Hopefully this graphic organizer looks familiar. We worked on it last week, and it's exactly the same process. So start with a summary. When I write my summary, I'm going to go straight to the title of my graph. And so the summary statement is just going to say this graph shows the effective position of mass on the distance traveled, because that's the title of the graph. That's actually what it shows. The variables show the position of the mass and the distance traveled. And so that's what I'll write. Next, I want to make some observations about my graph. I want them to be specific, and then I want to explain what they mean. So the first observation I have is that, oh, this graph looks like it slopes upward. If I were to climb these points, this path, I would be going uphill. So I'm going to circle that on my graph just for myself so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm going to say, I see an upward slope. And that's just what I'll write. The graph slopes up. What does that mean? So what? It slopes up. What does it mean? Well, that's our favorite statement, right? As the mass moves towards the back, the distance traveled increases. This means as mass moves back, distance increases. And I can keep doing this, making specific observations and explaining what they mean. I noticed that the smallest values on my graph, 57 centimeters, went with the mass in the front, and the greatest values, 69 centimeters, went with the mass in the back. So I can say what that means. And that's really two wishes, and I can interpret that with two whims. The least distance was 57 centimeters with mass in the front. And then I'm going to write what this means. Well, say this means that the car had less potential energy because it didn't go as far, and it takes energy to travel a greater distance. And if it starts with less potential energy, it'll gain less kinetic energy as it's moving, and it won't go as far. And so there you have it. A topic sentence or a summary of the graph, and then observation inference, observation, inference, and you can stitch together a whole paragraph that way. Hopefully this graphic organizer is helpful and familiar. And as always, if you have questions, come to office hours at 2 o'clock. Bye-bye.